Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your signal path. Plug the guitar into your audio interface or USB cable and connect that to your Mac. Once done, open System Preferences Sound and set the input to your interface so Garageband gets the right source. Now launch Garageband and create a new audio track. Choose the mono or stereo input that matches your interface. This establishes low latency and correct routing, so your recorded tone is accurate and ready for tracking. Now focus on the track itself. Enable the track's monitoring so you hear your instrument. You'll be adjusting tone while playing. Make sure the input level in Garageband isn't clipping. Watch the meter and lower the gain on the interface if peaks hit red. Aim around -6 decibels for headroom. Then choose an amp preset if you want shape tone during tracking, or select no amp to capture a clean, dry signal for reamping later. These choices affect both feel and edit flexibility. You're ready to record. Hit record and play through a couple of test takes, then review the waveform to confirm adequate level and timing. Once satisfied, trim and export as WAV or AIF for highest quality, or share directly from Garageband to Files or iCloud. If you don't see input or hear nothing, stop and check the cable connections, ensure the interface has power, and visit Garageband Preferences Audio/MIDI to confirm the correct input device and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.